video, and I'll be reacting today. So yeah, let's just into it. Also, shout out to Asher, my friend, for giving me this idea. So let's start with this one. Yeah, it will take a while for it to load. Okay, so let's oh my god, how much is time is this? Stop it.
I was maybe too much. This manipulation by everyone makes me suspicious.
Okay, my left hand stopped working for a while.
You in my past, and I don't know who to trust. Democracy's upon us. Still among us.
Okay, I'm going to see if I can fix it real quick. My webcam does not want to work today. So I won't be doing much of these reactions. So this is going to be my last reaction for today. And I'm going to see if I start again another day. Without my
Eyes, I ain't a detective. Got to protect him. Wait, was it him? Cause I swear I saw it once. Now I fall back. I'm sure that it was us. Cause it's not saying nothing. The quiet old game is got no distance. So let's keep maybe wait. It wasn't cool. I came in close, but I'm not at all. Until it wasn't me. The right that looked in my mind. I was so concerned that it's easy to lie. Been in my past, but I think my time until it has undone us, and then I still am us. Too easy to make you do what you fool. Everybody's stuck unmasking the imposter, but no one's here asking how is the imposter, and the truth be told, chaos taking its toll. It was wise, I was open, that is true. I was so intrusive, it was pink.
Okay guys,
It was purple.
okay, bye guys, I have to go.